Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Maithili Gauri Shankar, going to teach you SYIT Sem 3 Applied Mathematics 5th Unit Beta and Gamma Functions. So, beta function is also called as Euler's first integral. Beta of y comma z equal to integral 0 to 1 t power y minus 1 minus t power z minus 1 dt is the form. The beta and gamma relation is gamma y into gamma z upon gamma y plus z. Properties of beta function. Beta xy equal to beta yx. Beta xy equal to integral 0 to infinity t power x minus 1 upon 1 plus t power x plus y dt, where real part of x and real part of y should be greater than 0. Beta of xy equal to beta of x comma y plus 1 plus beta of x plus 1 comma y. X into beta of x comma y plus 1 equal to y into beta of x plus 1 comma y. Beta of x comma y can be represented in the polar form like 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin theta to power 2x minus 1 cos theta 2y minus 1 d theta. So the relation of beta and gamma is beta x comma y equal to gamma x gamma y upon gamma x plus y. The properties of gamma are gamma of 1 equal to 1, gamma of n plus 1 equal to n gamma n, gamma of n plus 1 equal to n factorial, gamma of 0 equal to infinity, gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi, beta of m comma n equal to beta of n comma m. The relation again it was represented. Then polar form, half of beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2 can be represented as integral 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q theta d theta. Beta of mn equal to 0 to infinity y m minus 1 upon 1 plus y m plus n dy. Gamma p gamma 1 minus p equal to pi upon sin p pi. P ranges from 0 to 1. Using these properties we are going to calculate beta of 2.5 comma 1.5. That is using the beta and gamma relation, beta of m comma n equal to gamma n upon gamma m plus n. Substituting the value of 2.5 in the fraction form 5 by 2, 1.5 3 by 2, adding 2.5 and 1.5 we getting 4 gamma 4. Using the formula gamma of n equal to n into gamma n minus 1, we are getting this answer. Substituting gamma 1 by 2 is root pi, finally we are getting pi by 16. Gamma function is represented as a Eulerian integral 0 to infinity t power x minus 1 e power minus t dt with the condition n greater than 0. Gamma of 1, substituting the value of x equal to 1, we are getting gamma of 1 equal to 1. Recurrence formula for gamma function is gamma x plus 1 equal to x gamma x. Another relation between gamma and factorial is gamma n plus 1 equal to n factorial. Other results are gamma 1 by 2 is root pi, gamma 3 by 2 is root pi by 2, gamma 5 by 2 is 3 root pi by 4. Factorial value is n factorial equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2 etc. till 1. Using this property we are going to solve gamma 1 by 4, gamma 3 by 4 equal to pi root 2. Using the formula gamma p gamma 1 minus p equal to pi by sin pi p pi. Substituting the value we are getting the answer pi root 2 as sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Now evaluating 0 to infinity 8th root of x e power minus root x dx, taking I equal to integral 0 to infinity 8th root of x e power minus root x dx. Using the substitution root x equal to t, x equal to t square, the limit of x changes from 0 to 0 in t, infinity to infinity in t. dx equal to 2t dt. We are getting, after substituting the value, 2 integral 0 to infinity e power minus t power 5 by 4 dt. Using the gamma formula, we are getting 2 gamma 5 by 4 plus 1. Substituting the value of gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n, we are getting final answer I equal to 5 by 8 gamma 1 by 4. Next problem, 0 to 1 log 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square dx. Here we are again substituting x equal to tan x, and the limit of x 0 goes to theta 0, x equal to 1 goes to x theta equal to pi by 4, dx equal to sin square theta tan theta, sin sec square theta d theta. Substituting the value and solving, we will get the final result as pi by 8 log 2. Next problem, 0 to infinity x power 4 1 plus x power 5 by 1 plus x power whole power 15 dx. We are using partial fraction. We are getting the two fraction here, that is equal to the beta function beta 5 comma 10 plus beta 10 comma 5. Using the formula of beta, then 2 times of beta 5 comma 10, then using the formula of relation between beta and gamma, we are getting the answer 2 into gamma 5 gamma 10 upon gamma 15. Using the factorial result, we getting the final answer as 1 by 5005. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral 0 to 1 x log x power 6 dx. Here also we are using the substitution, x of integral 0 goes to t of infinity and 1 to 0. Taking the substitution, log x equal to minus t, x equal to e power minus t, differentiating and getting the answer as I equal to 0 to integral 0 to infinity e power minus 70 t power 6 dt. Substituting the formula of gamma, definition of gamma, we are getting I equal to gamma 7 upon 7 power 7. Using the factorial formula, we are getting the final answer as 720 upon 8,23,543. Next, express the following integral in terms of gamma function. We want to convert this function to gamma function. So first, for a problem, integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square dx, substituting x square equal to t and changing the limit. Finally, we are substituting and using the definition of gamma function, we are rearranging the given problem and getting the answer as 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. After substituting the gamma relation, we are getting gamma 3 by 2. Similarly, for second problem, 0 to infinity x power n e power minus a square x square dx, a square x square equal to t, we are taking the substitution and differentiating. Then after substituting all the values, we are getting 1 by 2 a power n plus 1 integral 0 to infinity e power minus t power n minus 1 upon 2 dt. So rearranging this in the gamma function definition, we are getting 1 by 2 power a n plus 1, substituting the gamma function gamma n plus 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. Next problem, integral 0 to pi by 2 d theta by root sin theta, integral 0 to pi by 2 root sin theta d theta equal to pi. Using the formula of integral 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q theta d theta equal to 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Directly substituting the values, we are getting the answer directly of betas, and with the use of beta and gamma relation, substituting and finding the value of I as pi. Here we are using gamma 1 by 2 is pi by 2. Legendre duplication formula of gamma function. So that is gamma m plus 1 equal to root pi 2 power 2 m minus 1 gamma 2 m. So already we have seen the integral 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q theta d theta equal to 1 by 2 gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 upon gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. Using this we are finding the answer for gamma 1 by 4, gamma 3 by 4. Substituting in the duplication formula, we are getting directly the answer. Substituting m equal to 1 by 4, m plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 4 and gamma 1 by 2 equal to root pi. We are getting the answer is pi root 2. Thank you students.